Hey there, woodworkers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about woodworking like I am, you know that having the right tools is essential for success. Today, we're diving into some exciting new tools from Woodpeckers, Bosch, DeWalt, and more. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. I just wanted to tell you about the new folding saddle squares from Woodpeckers. These tools are a game changer for anyone serious about flawless joinery layout. Trying to transfer a layout line around a corner with traditional tools often requires a lot of patience and precision, something we're not always fortunate to have. Even the smallest mistake, like being off by half the width of a pencil lead, can turn into a disastrous fit by the time you're ready to cut. Now, imagine a straight edge that's hinged right in the middle. That's essentially what the folding saddle squares are. Woodpeckers have designed them so that, after the parts are machined, anodized, laser engraved, and fully assembled, they go back to the CNC machine for one last pass. This ensures that both edges are perfectly aligned and in plane with each other. Plus, the hinge is tensioned to eliminate any lateral play while still allowing you to adjust angles smoothly. This means you've got a precision straight edge that can seamlessly wrap around corners, making your layout tasks much more straightforward and accurate. Number 2. Let me tell you about Woodpecker's new micro squares, which are designed to fit into tight spots where other squares just can't reach. If you're working on precision joinery, you know how important it is to have the right tools at your fingertips. The micro squares come with 2 blades, a 1/2 inch wide blade for general tasks like layout and machinery adjustments, and a 1/4 inch blade that's perfect for checking those small details, like the cheeks of tiny dovetail sockets and the edges of mortises. What sets these micro squares apart is their portability. They're compact enough to fit right into your apron or jeans pocket, making them incredibly accessible when you need them. You'll find yourself reaching for them more often than you might expect, simply because they're easier to carry around than traditional squares. Whether you're in the shop or out on a job site, having a micro square handy can make all the difference in achieving precise measurements and ensuring that your projects come together perfectly. Trust me, once you try them, they'll quickly become a go-to tool in your woodworking arsenal. Number 3. Let me share with you the amazing capabilities of Woodpecker's new 3D setup blocks. Each block offers a common fractional dimension in 4 different ways, which makes your workflow so much smoother. What's really cool is that they even include a machined bevel angle on one end, which adds to their versatility. Each block is precisely machined to its stated thickness, and they feature a center cutout that matches that dimension perfectly. Additionally, there's a step shoulder that's 1/2 inch wide and a raised camel's hump on top that's 5/8 of an inch wide. This design turns each block into an ultimate feeler gauge, allowing you to fine-tune your measurements in various ways. The bevel angle comes in handy for quick table saw bevel adjustments, making setup a breeze. The set includes a range of sizes from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, giving you plenty of options for any project you tackle. Plus, they come with a wall-mountable racket, ensuring your 3D setup blocks are always within arm's reach, so you can get to work efficiently without fumbling around for tools. With these blocks in your toolbox, precision woodworking becomes a lot easier. Number 4. Let me tell you about the Woodpecker's router plane, a tool that really shines when you need to make those precise adjustments to your joints. Whether you prefer hand tools or machinery, we've all experienced those moments when a joint just needs a tiny tweak. It's tough for machines to handle that level of finesse, and some hand tool methods can fall short too. But the router plane has always been a reliable ally for woodworking. The engineering team at Woodpeckers has really gone the extra mile in designing their router plane. They've studied various designs from the late 1800s all the way to modern times, creating a tool that appeals to both seasoned hand tool users and newcomers alike. You'll appreciate the flexibility it offers, with 3 different mounting positions and multiple blade orientations for each. This adaptability means you can tackle a variety of tasks with ease. One of the standout features is the backlash-free depth adjustment, ensuring you get that precise cut every time without any hassle. Woodpeckers has truly baked in quality and ingenuity, making their router plane a must-have for anyone who values precision in their woodworking projects. It's all about getting that perfect fit, and this tool is designed to help you achieve just that. Number 5. Let me introduce you to the Woodpecker's Flush Trim Base for compact and mid-size routers. This tool truly streamlines the process of trimming solid wood edge banding, making it much more efficient than traditional methods. Now, a block plane can get the job done, but it requires having one on hand and knowing how to sharpen it properly, and frankly, it takes quite a bit of time. Using a router with a flush trim bit is a faster alternative, but it can feel a bit precarious, almost like walking a tightrope where one wrong move can lead to disaster. The flush trim base features a solid phenolic plate measuring 6 inches by 15 inches, providing ample reference surface for the top of your panel. The area where the router mounts has been expertly machined to accommodate anything that's 1/8 inch above the panel face, allowing you to set the router bit just above the surface of your plywood. This means you can easily shave down edge banding or any material for a perfect flush finish. Plus, with 3 different guiding methods, you'll be well equipped for any edge banding project. The base is compatible with most major brands of routers, including 1.5 horsepower models that use the standard Porter Cable 3-screw base plate. This tool makes trimming a breeze. Number 6. Let me share with you some insights on the DeWalt Pin Nailer CMPCT 20V 23 gauge, a fantastic tool that makes finishing, trimming, and remodeling work a breeze. This compact battery-powered nailer is part of the Atomic Compact series and is designed to drive 23-gauge pin nails ranging from 5/8 inch to 1.5 inches in length, all thanks to its powerful brushless motor. The beauty of this tool is its cordless design, giving you the freedom to work without the hassle of hoses, compressors, or gas cartridges. You'll love the user-friendly features, including a tool-free jam release and depth adjustment, which make for quick and easy modifications on the job. Another great feature is the low nail lockout system, which includes an LED indicator, so you'll know exactly when to reload. This tool is designed for efficiency, with an average capacity to drive about 2,000 nails per charge, allowing you to get the job done without constant interruptions. If you're looking for a reliable, portable solution for fine finishing work, this pin nailer is worth considering. Number 7. Let me tell you about the DeWalt 20V Max 7¼ inch miter saw, a fantastic tool that really enhances your cutting experience. One of its standout features is the integrated cut line crosscut positioning system, which provides an adjustment-free indication for your cut line. This means you get better accuracy and visibility as you work, making sure your cuts are precise every time. It can handle up to 3 5/8 inches of nested crown and 3.5 inches of base vertically, giving you plenty of capacity for various projects. The adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate comes with 11 positive stops, which not only boosts productivity, but also ensures cutting accuracy. Plus, the oversized bevel scale makes it easy to achieve accurate bevel angle adjustments without any guesswork. Weighing in at just 30 pounds, its compact and lightweight design allows for easy transport and storage, which is perfect for those who need to move between job sites. The Camlock miter handle delivers quick and accurate miter angles, while the precise miter system and machined base fence support enhanced durability and cutting accuracy. If you're looking for a dependable miter saw, this one is definitely worth your attention. Number 8. Let me share some insights about the Bosch RBS015 MBS 15-piece carbide-tipped wood router bit assorted set. This set stands out for its durability and precision, making it a fantastic choice for any woodworker looking to tackle a variety of projects. The 15 bits included in this multi-purpose set allow you to finish a wide range of applications with ease, whether you're working with softwoods, hardwoods, or wood composites. Each bit features a micro-grain carbide tip, which is designed to provide consistently smooth finish cuts while offering superior wear resistance. This means you can expect great performance over time, maintaining sharpness and effectiveness across numerous jobs. Additionally, the anti-friction coating minimizes residue buildup, making your projects cleaner and easier to manage. One of the great aspects of this set is its portability. It comes in a convenient plastic storage case, so you can keep your bits organized and transport them easily between job sites or projects. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a hobbyist, this versatile router bit set is sure to meet your needs and help you achieve the precision and quality you're aiming for. It's a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 9. Let me tell you about the Rotorazor Compact Circular Saw Set, a fantastic tool that combines durability and convenience in one lightweight package. This electric mini circular saw is incredibly easy and safe to use, featuring a thumb-controlled power switch along with a safety lock that keeps the blade guard locked until you're ready to make your cut. It even comes with a sturdy carrying case for easy transport. With a high-performance motor running at 4,200 RPM, the Rotorazor can cut at various angles, vertically, horizontally, and even upside down, making it versatile for any project. What's remarkable is that it essentially combines 7 different saws into one: a jigsaw, circular saw, hand saw, band saw, tile cutter, hacksaw, and miter saw. This means you can handle a wide range of materials, from PVC and drywall to hardwood, metal, and ceramic tile, all with just one tool. The kit includes 3 razor-sharp cutting blades, diamond, tungsten, and steel, so you can make quick and clean cuts across shallow, medium, or deep materials. Plus, the adjustable blade guard allows you to control the depth of your cuts. With the Rotorazor, you can easily maneuver through straight lines, curves, and tight spaces, and it even includes a dust collector system to keep your work area clean. This saw is truly versatile and powerful, making it a great addition to any toolbox. Number 10. Let me tell you about the Bosch GAM 220MF 4-in-1 Digital Angle Finder, a tool that every woodworker and contractor should consider adding to their toolkit. This versatile device functions not just as an angle finder but also as a miter calculator, protractor, and level, making it an essential multi-tool for various tasks on the job site. One of its standout features is the angle memory function, which allows you to record angle measurements and easily apply them throughout your project, ensuring consistency across different areas. What's really handy is the easy-to-read, illuminated rotating flip display, which makes it simple to view measurements from any angle. The miter cut calculations can handle input measurements from 0 to 220 degrees, providing flexibility for all your cutting needs. When it comes to durability, the GAM 220MF is built to withstand tough conditions, featuring robust housing with IP54 protection, which means it's both water and dust resistant. Additionally, the angle finder extends up to 16 inches long, which offers extra reach when you need it. Whether you're working on precise cuts or setting up intricate angles, this tool makes your job more efficient and accurate, saving you time and effort.